To fix the ignition switch behind the key lock mechanism, you have to take off the airbag, take off the steering wheel, and I'm sure you've seen a lot of other stuff that you have to do, including the easy way, which is just to take the steering wheel apart down at the universal knuckle. But they all sounded too hard to me. So what I did was I took out 2 screws, took off my cover for the whole thing, unplugged the plug on the back of the unit, plugged in the new one, and basically I started with a screwdriver. And without the keys, it's kind of hard to steal the car with the steering wheel locked. This still leaves the radio to be dealt with, because the key turns the radio on when it's pushed in. So I have this stiff old fuel line from a chainsaw, and I put it in here, and I push it in. Now, let's see. No, that means it came out. There, it's on now.
As you learn how you're part of making it morning in America again. It all happens at that historic building at 140 South Broad Street. There's limited...
So if you want to take the easy way out, it doesn't get any easier than that.